Viewer discretion advised.
So in case you can't tell, this is me. I think it's best to describe myself in just one simple sentence. First of all, my name is Wayne, and second of all, I'm a woodpecker. Which of course means I can transform even the biggest tree on the face of the earth into a rather teeny tiny toothpick. But in reality, I guess you can refer to me as the founder of my very own company, known as the Tree Planting Industries. Why? Because when you come to this neck of the woods, you can plant your very own tree, watch it grow, then later on chop it down, and finally send it over to the timber mill, where you can turn old trees into furniture and other things. All that's required is a team of woodpeckers who can help get the job done. Well, for the most part. We've got ourselves another customer who's requiring a taste of special deliveries. So I want you lot to pick up as many logs as you can, so you can load them onto his train so he can take them all over to the timber mill. Now hurry along, time is wasting.